All right, it's me again, John Vaughn, and I do have another video and another offer for you. But don't worry, I did go ahead and get your Friend Disconnector account migrated, so that's all now migrated over to Friender. So you've already got an email, or you should have already got an email from accounts@tier5.us and whatever email you just actually used with your next steps and your access to your migrated Friend Disconnector account. And you can do every single thing that you can do on Friend Disconnector, you can also do on your migrated account on Friender. So literally now you have your Friend Disconnector, but just on Friender. Everything you can do with Friend Disconnector, you can do, and there's even more stuff. There's even stuff, just like I told you, that you can't do on Friend Disconnector that you can do now on Friender on the account that's already set up, that I just actually set up for you. But since you're here and you just migrated your account and you're watching this video, obviously, look, I told you right that I told you right that Friend Disconnector is not our only software. It was one of the first ones that we built, but we built so many different software like Friend Connector Pro, Genius Messenger CRM, Group Monkey, Post Profits, Birthday Wisher, Friend Disconnector, which you just migrated, Meth and Evan, Engagement Monster, Post Scheduler, Just Invite, Post Filter, Groove Flu, and Winner Chicken Dinner are all softwares that we built for Facebook. And if you take this offer, you're going to get every single one of them right now. So if you take this offer, you're going to get literally every single one of them right now if you take that offer, which would actually be over $1,000 a month if you went out and actually bought them from their individual pages, which people do all the time for every one of those software products. People, because they're on funnels just like this, and we use the tools for organic marketing, and so do our affiliates. They use the same tools for organic marketing. There's always people coming into those products and services and essentially buying them and paying for them, and you're going to get all of them as a bonus when you sign up to this offer right now that allows you to fully unlock Friender. All right, so I did tell you that what we're doing is we're going through and realizing the different things that we could have done in development and should have done in development, and what we actually can do, and the fact that we don't want 12 different extensions. We want one all-in-one badass Facebook organic marketing tool that we log into that really helps us maximize our organic marketing on Facebook, so that we can have more and more of these awards, so that not because we want the actual awards, but so that we can continue to grow and grow and grow our business and do the things that we actually like to do, my wife and I, and everybody here that actually works at Tier 5. So we want one badass, amazing product, and that's what Friender is. We're taking all of those organic marketing tools and basically gamifying the process and putting it into one platform where you can log in, and all of this stuff, all of the things that you need to be doing for organic marketing on Facebook, all of the stuff that you can automate that makes sense that it actually should be automated, so that you don't have to hire VAs, and you can basically multiply yourselves and have 4 or 5 of you doing all the stuff that actually could be automated, so that you can focus 100% of your time on doing the things that maybe could be automated but shouldn't be automated, or just can't be automated whatsoever. So we're taking all of those softwares, we're stuffing them in Friender and making it into a very beautiful, as we've already showed you. So for example, the Friend Connector stuff. With Friend Disconnector, you're obviously going in and purging your friends list and getting people off your friends list, but you can also go in and add friends, right? You can now go in and actually replace them and send targeted friend requests out and grow your friends list. So with Friend Disconnector, you're pruning your friends list, you're getting rid of inactive people, and with Friend Connector, you're adding friends and you're growing your friends list, and you're essentially getting new leads. With the CRM and Genius Messenger, you're organizing those leads in a pipeline in a CRM, and making it easy for you to actually follow up with those leads and essentially pushing them through your sales process and converting them into paying customers, so that you go from random stranger on Facebook to somebody who's paying you, $100 a month or $12,000 a month. I have random strangers on Facebook that have now paid me well over $500,000 in development services, because through this organic marketing process and all of these different softwares, I was doing what I literally made them to do, is to go in and actually help me sell my products and services and grow my company. All right. So anyways, if you take this offer right now, you're basically getting a full unlocked Friender account, and you're actually getting it for a lower price than anybody else is paying for Friender, other than people who take this exact offer that have actually migrated. So it's literally right here. It's the lowest price. And I'm not saying that. I am obviously saying that, but I'm not just saying that to market to you. I am obviously saying it to market to you, but I'm not just making that number up. That is I don't believe in a typical God, but that's the God's honest truth. Okay, that is that is factual information, that you're getting the lowest offer that I've ever offered and am going to offer right here on this page, because you just migrated your Friend Disconnector account. Okay, so you can say no and not actually get all of these software bonuses, not actually get every software that we've built for Facebook organic marketing. Boom, you've got it now. You also get a full unlimited Go a high level account. You also get you also get, in case you're feeling overwhelmed and you're like, man, I've got all these softwares, I really don't even know what I should be doing. You're going to get my full social selling course. You're going to get live coaching and mentoring calls. We actually don't have these weekly anymore. They're monthly, but you know, if enough of you guys are just in the group saying, hey, we want to have weekly, we're gonna be there. We have a support group for whatever you need. If you really need it, we're there to help you, because we want you guys to be more and more successful, and we want our software to be a big component of that, obviously, to actually help you and facilitate that, because it's a very mutual beneficial relationship. If you're making more money and selling more of your products and services, and you're doing that and a big function of that is our software that's actually helping you, it's great for us, it's great for you. We benefit together and we grow together, obviously. All right, so you can skip it if you want. I do, again, just want to be transparent, because some of you guys, and I'm not saying this again for marketing, I'm just giving you again the truth. This is a one-time only offer, so if you take it, if you go away, if you leave this page, you won't be able to get back to this page. It would just redirect to another page. So if you say no right now, you're never going to get this offer again and get this price again. You'll still be able to unlock Friender and get Friender. You're not going to get all these bonuses, but you're still going to be able to actually unlock Friender if you want to use all the other features and functionalities of Friender and have the full software instead of just the Friend Disconnector functionality in your migrated account. All right, so I would totally take this offer. I wouldn't skip it. I would take it, and then if you decide, okay, hey, this isn't for me, just cancel the unlocked version, but trust me, you're going to love it. All right, so I would take it, but if you want to skip it, go ahead and skip it.